Canva recently introduced a fantastic set of new animations, and in this video we'll take a closer look at them. The Animate menu includes 6 featured animations, 15 general animations, 3 suggested effects, and 4 add-on effects to enhance your designs. To access these options, you'll need to place a photo in your workspace. Once the photo is highlighted, the Animate button becomes available in the editing toolbar. Click on Animate and the animation menu will pop up on the left side of your screen. At the top, you'll see the 6 new featured animations: brush, ink, digital, spray paint, sketch, and gradient. The first in our list is brush and mimics a paintbrush stroke. It has 4 style options: curve brushes from left to right, wild brushes randomly across the image, dip uses bold, big brush strokes, and lastly is swirl, which creates a swirling brush effect. Ink is next up and features a wet moving ink effect with 4 styles. With seep, the ink flows from the bottom to the top of the image. Flow moves from right to left. Bloom spreads outward from the center to reveal the image. And splotch produces multiple random ink spots. Digital has a pixelated look with 3 styles. Center spreads small squares out from the center of the image. Large squares move from left to right with linear, and scatter randomly places large squares that pop up across the photo. Spray paint has only the 2 styles. Messy simulates random, wide spray paint strokes, while letters almost gives the impression of graffiti. Next up is sketch. Sketch mimics a hand-drawn sketch look with 4 styles. First up is fill. Fill moves with a pencil-like effect from left to right across the image. Swipe goes from the top left to the bottom right. Scratch works simultaneously, top left and bottom right, meeting in the middle. And lastly, squiggle has large, curved, and rounded strokes moving top to bottom, left to right. Our last new Canva animation is gradient. Gradient adds a gradient effect and has 3 styles. First up is circular. Circular has arcs that grow from bottom right up to top left. Blocks is next with vertical gradient blocks moving first center to left and then center to right. Vertical lines with gradients move bottom to top and left to right with the lines effect. When you apply any animation, Canva offers 3 playback options: on enter, on exit, and both. These will determine when the animation occurs. On enter plays when the image first appears, on exit plays just before the image disappears, and both applies the animation at the beginning and end of the image's display. And lastly, these animations can be applied to both photos and videos, making them a great, versatile addition to your Canva toolbox. Thanks for watching.